In this presentation, I will go over how to register, create a knowledge base, and create your first KChat chatbot. To register and access the KChat page under the products, you can go to KChat, and then from there, go to the KChat dashboard. Here you can see that the KChat website is kchat.website, so you can bookmark and go there directly. And then you need to sign in. The sign in order to create a KChat, you need a curator account, and you need to curate and organize your knowledge base inside of Curator. And you can use the same username and login for Curator to log in to your KChat. So after you log in, you're going to land on the dashboard, and you can see we are offering a trial version where you can have 20 responses. You can retrain the chatbot twice, and there's a limited size for your knowledge base, 100,000 tokens, which is a good amount of posts. Next, we're going to look and see how to upload your knowledge base. Your knowledge base is curated and managed by the Curator app. To add a knowledge base, you click on the plus sign, you give it a name. Mine here is about RAG chatbots, and then you need to enter and sync your content with Curator. Under Curator, we have 3 sections. You create your files under the WordPress KBucket files. This is the same file that we also use for our KChat. We have more detailed discussions about this. For our purposes, I'm just going to copy this link, go over to my chatbot, enter it. For the website URL, you need to have a URL if you're planning to have a landing page, which is our KBucket solution. Then you will need to enter the link to that URL in here. We'll again have more detailed discussions about that later, and then you create your knowledge base. After creating the knowledge base, you can see it's used 41,000 tokens, and that is 22 videos with pretty lengthy transcription. So a good amount of content for your chatbot. Next, we are going to go to the chatbot section and create our first chatbot. After creating our knowledge base, we are ready to proceed and create our first chatbot. To do that, we click on the Add Chatbot, give it a name, RAG Solutions, and then choose the knowledge base. We are offering 2 right now. I recommend GPT-4o Mini. And then choose the knowledge base. If you have more than one chatbot, you want to select which one you want to use. And in the future, we'll be able to attach more than one knowledge base to the chatbot. And for the outbound link, we're going to use the source URL. If we had the WordPress KBucket installed as a landing page, then we would use this link. And I'm going to have other tutorials that will specifically go over this feature of the chatbot. Then we are ready to create our chatbot. Once we create it, you can see that it's giving us the message. Now we can modify the chatbot appearance, add a message, ask me about RAG solutions. For example, update the chatbot UI. You can test your chatbot directly inside of the KChat app. You click on the test. It's going to give you the chatbot on the page, and then you can ask questions. And remember, the questions that we ask have to be related to the content that we have uploaded. The content I have is about RAG chatbots and how you can optimize them. So I'm going to ask, how can I get accurate answers from my RAG chatbot? And you can see it provided a pretty detailed answer with a reference point and a timestamp. Query analysis, flow engineering, and reciprocal rank fusion. and the reference is down below. The reference link can either be to the source link, as we showed you, or we chose here, or if we have a WordPress landing page that acts as a library for everything that we have included inside of our KChat, then it's going to go to our own website and our own landing page. Depending on your use case, you may choose one or the other. Now, when I click on the reference link, it's going to take me to the source, and then I can examine each one of these different discussions and go directly to the timestamp. So you can see here is the video. Depending on where your source is, it can go to your LinkedIn page or your social channels or your website, basically anywhere that you want to lead the link to. Now, once you're ready to launch it, you can go to the Get Script. You can copy the script to your website or to any page that takes HTML, and it's going to launch the chatbot inside of your website or your own domain. And when you're ready to upgrade, you simply go to the payment plan. You can see the different offerings here, upgrade, and you're ready to experiment with KChat.